My name is Gabrielle. Thank you for joining and welcome back to my channel. As you guys may know from my last video, I am on the journey to becoming natural. And in my journey so far, I've already experienced some tough days where I'm like, my hair is too thick. I have two different textures and they're not cooperating. So I just want to skip to being natural, fully natural with no relaxant. I've been looking for things that help facilitate hair growth, and I stumbled upon the rice water challenge. Everyone's talking about how rice water is making their hair grow extremely fast in little to no time, so of course I wanted to give it a try. So you can use any kind of rice you want, but I chose jasmine organic rice. So what you want to do, you're going to measure 1/2 cup of rice. Now you'll need to rinse the rice to remove all the dirt and impurities. Swish it around with your fingers. You can use any essential oil that you would like and add 5 drops to the water. I chose to use lavender oil because this is my favorite scent. It helps deep condition the hair and keeps it shiny as well. So I'm gonna add 5 drops into here. You're gonna swirl it a little bit to mix it all in. You're using the lavender oil or any oil to mask the smell, because apparently rice water, fermented rice water, does not smell pleasing at all. The use of rice water came from ancient China. Since ancient days, the Yao woman from Huangguo village in Guangxi province used unpolished rice water as a daily skin toner and hair rinse. Rice water has many vitamins like B, C, and E, and also minerals that help boost hair growth, strengthens damaged hair shafts, and locks your hair's soft and shiny look. They believe that having long hair is a sign of good health, good fortune, and longevity. The Yao ethnic woman made it to the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's longest hair village, with their average hair length being 6 feet long. Part of their secret to having such long hair lies in washing it with fermented rice water. Although this was a trend within the natural hair community, it has a lot of history behind it. Okay guys, I am back after letting my rice sit and ferment for at least 24 hours. I think I did 33 hours. I put it in yesterday morning and it's about 7 o'clock right now. As long as you let your rice ferment for 24 to 48 hours, you should be fine. If you can't get right to the shampooing process, I would recommend you put your container in the refrigerator, which is supposed to stop the fermenting process. Now let's move on to the next part. Okay, now we're gonna move to putting the rice water in a spray bottle. This is just an old, just for me, detangling conditioning detangler. Okay, so we're gonna put the filter, what is this called? It's called a funnel. We're gonna put the funnel into the spray bottle and open up the rice water. They say it's supposed to smell, but I put the lavender drops in here, so it's supposed to mask the smell. Let's see. It smells a little sour. I guess that's the rice fermenting. It smells very sour. I can still smell the lavender, but I think I should have sprayed more. So now I'm gonna use this strainer. I didn't have this yesterday, I just ordered it. Was not expecting for this to come out this small. Like who? I don't need one this small, I want a regular size one. And this goes with the color scheme in my kitchen, so I wanted to get a fancy rose gold one. Okay, so we have our strainer and the rice water. We're just gonna pour it in here. Go slowly because it's filling up. And there we have it. I'm going to add some more lavender to this because it smells really, really sour. And I'm not going to use it right away because I still have to wash my hair. So it'll sit for a little bit, and I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to kind of, I don't know, make the smell less great because it is ridiculous right now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss next week's post. Until then, bye.